UKG book kit. Let's see the books. These are the books and notebooks for UKG level. This is Bright Picture Book of EVS. Here you have the content and you have concepts what the child learns about EVS, all the concepts and the activities for the child to do. Now one interesting thing about this My Bright book is you have the code. So you can access My Anytime Teacher using Brilla app. Let's see how to do it. Launch the app. Here it is My Anytime Teacher. It says scan and then
day and night. When the side of the earth you live on turns away from the sun, it is the night time.
So you have seen how the child can learn all the concept by using My Anytime Teacher. This is Composite Mathematics for
UKG level. It is an activity-based book of learning maths concepts and also applying it in the book. Then you have My Bright Picture Book of Computer Learning, and then we have Bright Picture Book of Language Activities. Child has to learn the words, grammar and also various things. So in this book, again, it is an activity-based book. Child can perform activities. And in all these books, you have the code to access My Anytime Teacher. Now this is the rhyme book. All the colorful rhymes are there for the child to learn. And here also you have the code, how the child will learn the tune and the song. Let's see.
Doctor, what do you do? I help you when you are sick or hurt. Teacher, what do you do?
I teach reading and writing too.
So it's so easy to learn all the concept for the child. This is the My Bright Picture Book of Art Activity. The child can perform art. Hindi Praveshika, activity based book for the child to learn the Hindi language and also write. This is My Practice Workbook. Okay, so many worksheets for the child to do it all around the year, reading, writing and practices. So these are the books and notebooks for UKG level.